Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is Zydus Lifesciences Ltd. You can see position is Officer, Executive, Senior Officer, Instrumentation Process Engineer. Coming to the education and qualification, Diploma, BTech, MTech graduates apply to this position and experience is 2 to 8 years of experience. We are hiring for Vaccine Technology Center, Ahmedabad. Another position is there HVAC operator and utility operator, and qualification is diploma ITI and experience is 3 to 5 years of experience. These walk-in are conducted at 26th July 2024 and time is 10 am to 1 pm and job location is Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and venue is Zydus Biotech Park opposite Ramdev Masala Sankraj Bawla, Ahmedabad. Scan to apply to your job. For more job updates, please join our WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is available in description box below. These are the details regarding walk-in interview. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this video. For job updates, subscribe to YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. Bye. See you in the next video.